Hello, ASB, RSM,
We have news on elective aids
ASB,
and more
right here
right now
on Krsm. Good morning, RSM.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Aaron.
And
this is Krsm.
It's Thursday,
December 7th,
2017.
Rotation 4. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
We have begun our NEGU collection drive. We are collecting items to put into joy jars up until December 15th. We hope you can contribute to donating new toys that are small enough to stuff into joy jars and send them to students in the hospital. Our goal is to bring joy to kids through joy jars during the holiday season.
That's right. Please bring your contributions to our blue bins located by our front office. These jars go to children who have to spend the night in the hospital. Let's toss it over to ASB and Studio B, who have more useful news about today. Hello, ASB.
Hey RSM, I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Peyton, and we're from ASB.
Today's Thursday, and you know what that means.
It's Funorama Day.
We have 3 games planned for you today and tomorrow.
For today, we have the balloon stomp, guessing jar, and cornhole.
Come out at snack to receive your tickets to participate at the outside stage.
Those tickets will be used in a raffle for a grand prize if you win, so make sure you put your name on it.
That's it for today.
Now back to Studio A.
There are some elective teachers who could use help for second trimester by being a class aide. Check with Mrs. Nelson, Mr. Mendelson, or Mr. Tribal to find out which periods are still available.
Ryan is here today with our sports news.
Hey RSM, recently a Cincinnati baseball player has concealed an injury that had sustained to his shoulder so he could play. But now all of the events that happened with his injury are against the rules, leading him to be kicked out of the team. That's all for today. Now back to Studio A.
A man pulled over on the highway in Cochita, California to save a rabbit from an ongoing wildfire. He refused to be interviewed and only said he saw a rabbit running toward the fire and he wanted to save it. I guess they're going to be best friends forever.
A few of our band and orchestra students auditioned for the Southern California School Band and Orchestra Associations, All Southern Honor Band, Honor String Orchestra, and Honor Full Orchestra. These following students were accepted. 1. Jessie Chen, Full Orchestra, second-year participant. 2. Chloe Cheng, String Orchestra, first-year participant. 3. Krista Wong, Band, first-year participant. Please congratulate our stellar students for going above and beyond to enhance their musical experience.
Ready for more math jokes? Hey algebra, please stop asking us to find your ex. She's never coming back. And don't ask why. Ha ha ha, just a little math humor. Okay, so we'll stop and play another math video. Here's one about a hungry coyote.
The coyote eats 3/5 pounds of a rabbit. The next day, the coyote eats 5/8 pounds of another rabbit. How much did the coyote eat? plus 5/8 equals 49/40 after finding the common denominator, which equals 1 9/40 pounds.
California Junior Scholarship Federation is a statewide honor society that recognizes outstanding students for high grades in academic subjects, outstanding citizenship, and community service. Membership is not automatic. You must apply each trimester, a total of 2 trimesters per school year. You must also complete 12 hours of community service each year. Students who qualify 2 trimesters in 7th grade and 2 trimesters in 8th grade may earn honor medal status.
Honor members receive a pin, certificate, and medal to wear promotion. More information can be found on the display outside room 203 and on the CJSF webpage. Applications for trimester 1 are available on the RSM webpage under activities and then clubs, then CJSF. Applications must be turned in with a copy of your report card and a copy of your dues receipt, paid with a $15 check, during lunch on December 14th, 15th, and 19th. Questions? See Mrs. Nelson in room 203.
Time for trivia. This week our category is fast food restaurants. All you have to do is give the name of the restaurant when you hear the food item. Our contestants today are from the homerooms of Mr. Gentry and Mrs. Dornbush. Kevin is our host today, but he has a special apology to make as well. Let's do this.
KRSM. Before we start trivia today, the entire KRSM staff, especially yesterday's trivia host, would like to apologize to Mr. Glasgow's homeroom, as there was a very big mistake on the answer key. We asked the question, what restaurant is known for their chicken fingers, when Chick-fil-A only sells chicken strips? We are sorry for the confusion. Okay, now let's get this battle started. So, what's your name?
Emily.
And which homeroom are you representing?
Mrs. Dornbush.
Okay, now what's your name?
Avesta.
And which homeroom are you representing?
Mr. Gentry.
Okay, first question. This fast food restaurant sells sandwiches and footlongs. Okay, that's
Subway.
correct. You win trivia for today. Now back to Studio A.
Thanks, Kevin. Thanks, Kevin, and congratulations to Mr. Gentry.
Be ready
Responsible
and respectful, RSM, and
and
make today your masterpiece. Happy birthday.